to my channel. Today I show you how to make sambal this sambal Balinese style.
And we have chili, salad, garlic, ginger, lime, coffee lime leaf, shrimp paste, sugar, salt, and white pepper powder. And don't forget Balinese coconut oil. First, slice the salad. Smash the garlic before we chop it. And chop the garlic with ginger. Next, slice chili. Slice the coffee lime leaf. Heat up your pan and pour in the coconut oil. Add the salad for frying until golden brown. Add the sliced chili. Add the garlic and chopped ginger. Add the shrimp paste. Seasoning with salt, with sugar, and white pepper powder. Frying until the smell coming and make your stomach hungry. We move the sambal EMBE to the bowl. All sambal EMBE roll. Add the shredded coffee lime leaf. Slice the lime and put on top sambal EMBE for garnish. And sambal EMBE ready to serve.